Honorable Speaker, for this auspicious opportunity to speak about what my colleague senators have ably articulated. Honorable Speaker, I'm perturbed by the way this discussion is taking course. Our dear Senator, our dear CS for Sports has ably given his reasons why he's not able to appear here. But I'm worried because the way my colleagues are talking about the tone, the texture, the temperature of the response, we are not in a choir festival, Honorable Speaker, to test the tones of letters, Honorable Speaker. We are dealing with the Honorable CS, who leads a ministry and is not a departmental head, is not a captain of volleyball, is not a captain of rugby, is not in charge of golf. He's a CS, Honorable Speaker. And we must give our CS an ample time to prepare and come and give us facts about the ministry that he leads. We are not preparing this Senate to be a lynching platform where Honorable CS will be coming here trembling, sweating, expecting a scenario like that of Barnabas in the scripture. We want this House to address and handle our CS in executive in a decent manner, to allow Kenyans not to crucify people yet they are innocent. And on behalf of my good CS Ababu Namwamba, I want to stand in the gap and hold brief for him that he will come, articulate his position, make clear what is not clear, and allow him to execute what the president gave him to do. So, Honorable, my good majority leader,
Senator Fatuma
the tone is clear.
Senator Wakoli, resume your seat. What's your point of order, Senator Fatuma Dulo?
I'm on a point of order.
No,
yes.
He's not on a point of order.
While people, Honorable Speaker, while people are praising my good Minister for Defense, Honorable Duale,
Senator Fatuma, let him finish.
I want to appreciate the good Minister Duale is here. He's being congratulated in presence. Allow me also to defend that whom is not here. Because you persecute, crucify the person you see before you. That is the rule of the game. So I want to request, Honorable Speaker, that we allow the good CS to come next week. We execute this matter that Honorable Cherege is passionate about, running at night and in the day, and then allow the sportsmen and women of this country to harvest from their good talent. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Senators, you will allow us to close this matter after one contribution from Senator Modigi, final contribution from Senator Modigi, and I'll give directions. Senator Modigi, can he be heard in silence, please?